Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another experiment with spraying some water and some acrylic paints, fluid acrylic paints. This is this is Zeus from these little piggy pigments, and because some people ask me how I mix them, I will show this. And I will mix this Bellini, and as I was playing with that, I think that my mixture creates some lacing. We will see, and I believe that this is because I disperse my pigments with polyurethane satin varnish. This one is from Vallejo. So I will mix this Bellini with you. Love this color. So I will add a scoop of my pigment, and I love to use this Fluid Art Co. stir sticks for my pigments because you can really scrape this easily. So I will disperse it with, I will add, I don't know, I add some of this polyurethane and then mix a little bit and see. It wants to be a nice, I want these pigments to look like a nice paste, so it's not enough. A little more. Much better. And now I mix and mix and mix and mix to get a nice, beautiful, shimmery paste. Because those pigments are just gorgeous. So this is how it looks when I disperse this with polyurethane satin varnish from Vallejo. And now I will start adding my pouring medium. That it's mixture of Bessner acrylic binder, and acrylic emulsion. And now I will mix and then add some more, and I will not bother you. I will be back with the finished consistency. Okay, so this part is done, and I will use Prussian Phthalo by Amsterdam and Titanium White from Amsterdam with those two. So it will be kind of monochromatic look, and I will do a split base with white and that phthalo blue. Now, at first I will do just some stripes blow them a little bit maybe, and then spray it with water and tilt to get some kind of effect, and then I will see what will look like. So now to the spraying part. I will grab a cup. Put it under. No. Okay, I've got a push pen just right here, so I will just lift it with my hand. Okay. I like that. I like those fractals here. I love it. I hope that I will be able to show you all the beauty of this. Love those trees. They are fractals but look like trees. And here in the middle is so much, I don't know, depth. And then on the blue side, and this Prussian blue will dry really dark. So stay tuned for the dry results, because I can't wait. Love it. Tell me what you think about it. And no, not yet. Wait for the dry results. here is the dried result. I will try to show you that tree effect here. And the shimmer of these little piggy pigments. I definitely have to work a little more on this technique, but for now I really like it. I like this abstract look. Here in the middle, this looks like a waterfall or something. The trees on the blue side, they are not so visible, but still it's like a reflection. I really like this technique. I think that it's really easy technique to create some really nice effects. I love how those look like stones almost. I just don't have a clue how to name this technique. If you have some suggestion, please tell in the comments how we should name this. Maybe I should even do a balloon dips in the middle. I don't know, but for this time I just want to have this abstract looking painting with all those amazing details. I will probably play quite some more with this technique, so hopefully you will not get bored, but when you find something that you want to improve, this is just something that I love to do, you know, to play some more, so don't be mad at me, please. So thanks for watching and see you on Friday. Bye.